There are a few ways to colon cleanse. You can purchase a colon cleansing product, or you can even get a colonic irrigation or enema. Otherwise, you can do simple things to boost or cleanse colon health naturally at home. The following natural colon cleanses can be done cheaply, and they're also quite safe if done correctly. 1. Water flush. Drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated is the simplest way to regulate digestion. Drinking 6 to 8 glasses of lukewarm water per day is recommended for colon cleansing. Additionally, eating fresh fruits and vegetables high in water content like watermelon and tomatoes would be helpful. 2. Saltwater flush. Mixing 2 teaspoons of sea salt or pink salt with lukewarm water and drinking it on an empty stomach is helpful. It stimulates colon movements within a few minutes. This may be done twice a day. 3. High fiber diet. Fiber is an essential nutrient present in whole, healthy plant foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, and more. Fibers help bulk up the excess matter in the colon. They can regulate constipation and overactive bowels. They also boost helpful bacteria. 4. Lemon water and honey. Mix fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of salt with warm water and drink on an empty stomach in the morning. 5. Juices and smoothies. These include fruit and vegetable juice fasts and cleanses. Juices made of apples, lemons, and aloe vera help in colon cleansing. They also contain nutrients that are beneficial to the body,